Hey, you got it working.
Now that show had explosive drama.
Welcome. Seeing as you are here, you can all assist me with my experiments.
That's Dr. Strange! His experiments don't end well for those who assist him.
Nice work, Bright Spark.
Now we just need a way to get out of here.
Relax. I'm sure something will turn up. I'd like to say I knew that would happen.
Poor Robert. Perhaps some kind of rubber shoe.
What's this? A party? Need a lift, Pumpkin?
Mr. J!
You think you can escape us, clown?
I take that as a yes.
Forget him. We have more pressing issues to attend to.
Back to the old clubhouse.
This crime syndicate is worse than the Justice League. They don't play fair.
They broke my favorite cold gun.
They stood on my tail.
Trying to use me as a casserole dish.
I hear they got all the loot from the Batcave.
You've got to hand it to them. They're better at being villains than we are.
I beg to differ, Catwoman. No one is better at being a villain than Lex Luthor. Ugh, get off me, you painted buffoon. I didn't bust you out to play patty cake. I've been to LexCorp and seen this so-called crime syndicate. They're hunting for something powerful. You can bet when they find it, it'll be bad news for the Earth, and more importantly, us. Whatever their game is, if they want to play at being heroes, then we'll give them the greatest bunch of bad apples ever assembled.
Do apples come in bunches?
We'll show them how we do things on our Earth.
But Ultraman is so powerful. We have our limits, Lex. Apart from the walking power absorber here.
You don't say. Well, we will just have to recruit the strongest, most devious, most sexiest supervillain team this world has ever seen. Who's with me?